Hi students, welcome. In today class we are discussing about how to construct a regular polygon in single diagram. So regular polygon, the minimum size is 3 sides. So that is equilateral triangle, next to 4 sides, square, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, like that. So all the polygons in single diagram, how to draw, clear? We go for each one, right? Let's go. So to construct a regular polygons with all in one, clear? Let us assume the size of the polygon considered as 40 mm. So this is that line AB 40 size, clear? Next thing, you draw one line perpendicular to AB from either end A or from end B. Clear? You draw one perpendicular line of AB. So this is the size AB, clear? Next thing, same size, you draw one perpendicular line. So that in that perpendicular line, the AB size is 40, means same 40 from B also. It is C. We get C. So now the AB equal to BC. Clear? Next, after that, you line joining A and C. Line joining A and C. Clear? So the A and C is joined by line, and also another one is by arc. So arc means the BC as the radius, B as the center, that BC equal to BA. So BC as the radius, B as the center, you draw one arc, clear? So therefore the point A and C is joined by two ways. One is for straight line and another one is for by an arc, clear? Next thing, the side AB divided in two equal parts, that is bisect. Okay, so you know the procedure how to bisect. Various methods is the divide a line method, or otherwise normal basic procedure. So the AB size is 40, so it is round figure 40, therefore take 20, it's the middle. Okay, but normal procedure, take compass, take the radius more than half from end A or from B. So this is the radius more than half, you draw one arc on both sides, same radius from B as the center, you intersect on arc. Next, the intersection arcs want to join by a straight line. Finally we get clear? Understand these things? So this one is bisect 20 size. Next thing, that side, the opposite sides of AB, that bisector, you extend it some long. Next, very important is the bisector where it is intersecting on that line, straight line AC here. Let us consider this is number 4. Definitely you take number 4. Next, same bisector where it is intersecting on that arc AC, this is number 6. So this is 4, this one is 6. Clear? Next, the 4 to 6 dimension. So this 4 to 6 line length, you bisect it. Same, take more than half between the 4 to 6. 4 as a center, you draw one arc left and right. Same radius, 6 as a center, intersect arc under. Finally, you get that bisector of line 4 to 6. That bisector where it is intersecting on that AB line bisector here. Okay, it's nothing but the 4 to 6 midpoint. This point let us consider number 5. Therefore 4, middle 5, 6. After that you take compass. Okay, 4 to 5 distance 100% equal to 5 to 6, same. From 4 downwards you mark it, that is number 3. Only 3, the minimum. So for polygon the minimum size is 3 sides only, therefore the number 3 is that starting. Already 4 is there, 5 we got, 6 is there. Next same radius, from 6 you mark it 7, from 7 to here 8, from 8 9 10, so infinite number of regular polygon sides. Okay, that's one. Understand? So first 4 and 6 you mark it. Okay, the AB bisector where it is intersecting on that AC, it is number 4, and where it is intersecting on that AC curve, that is number 6. After getting 4 and 6, the distance between 4 6, 1 second you bisect, that is number 5. After that 4 to 5 distance 100% equal to 5 to 6, so take compass, you measure that 4 to 6 or 5 to 6 dimension. From 4 towards down we get number 3. From 6 we go for upward direction, we get 7 8 9 10 etc. Okay, so this is the basic procedure. After that you take compass, so regular polygon, center and radius, this is for hint. Understand? So if you want regular polygon, so 3 sides polygon you need. So 3 sides polygon, that is equal to triangle. So the number 3 to A as the radius. Number 3 to A as the radius. So 3 to A is equal to 3 to B. So let us consider uniform, A to 3 or 3 to A is the radius. Sorry, 3 to A is the radius. Center point is 3. Okay, where is the center? Number 3 is the center. Radius is 3 to A as the radius. Clear? So take compass, 3 to A as the radius, you draw one circle. Okay, just imagine 3 to A as the radius, you draw one circle. Clear? 3 to A like this. Okay, after that, so this one like this approximately. Next you take AB as the radius. AB size how much? 40. So already the A to B is 40 is there. So now, so from B you intersect arc on that curve, so it is intersecting here. So then you join A, already AB is there, so the black color. So this is regular polygon, 3 sides, we get equilateral triangle. So this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, so for example already C is there, means you consider some C dash in basics. So anyhow some differentiate. So 3 sides over. Next we get, you need 4 sides. You want 4 sides, that is square you need, means regular polygon 4 sides means center point is number 4 as the center, 4 as the center, 4 to A as the radius. So number 4 as the center, 4 to A as the radius. Clear? You draw that. We get same one more circle. Clear? Then AB as the radius, you know the 40 size. So from B you draw one arc. From we get C. From C you draw another arc, we get D. So now you join A, B, B to C, C to D. We get square. Understand? Next thing, 5 sides, number 5 as the center, 5 to A as the radius. So you draw one arc. For example, here to your radius. Okay. Next, AB, already you know that 40 size. Next thing, we get 40, AB 40. So from B, you take 40 as the radius. From B, you mark arc here, we get C. From C, one more arc, we get D. From D, we get one more arc, E. So now you join A to B, A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, and E to A. So this one is pentagon. Pentagon. Similar case, 6 sides, hexagon like that. 6 sides. Number 6 has the center, 6 to A has the radius. Clear? 6 to A has the radius. So take compass. Number 6 in AC arc. 6 as the center, 6 to A as the radius. You draw one circle. So for all the polygons, okay, the n number of sides, okay, that is 3 side, 4 side, 5 side, whatever it may be, but all the circle passing through A and B, each and every one. So here n number of curves are there. Okay, so this one, so number 6 as the center, 6 to A as the radius, you draw one arc. After that, take 40, AB as the size, 40. So from B, you draw arc on that 6 sides, 6A radius circle. It is C. From C, we get D. From D, you draw one more arc. E. From E, F. So A to B already is there. BC, CD, DE, EF, FA. Clear? So this is A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to A. All are 40, 40, 40 size. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 sides. So like that we go for heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, etc. So all the diagrams, all the regular polygons in a single. Clear? Okay. Okay students, thank you.